nephew, nephew, descendant, descendant, bridegroom, bridegroom, son-in-law, son-in-law, adopted son, adopted son, adopted daughter, mother-in-law, mother-in-law, stepmother, stepmother, sister-in-law, sister-in-law, grandson, grandson, co-wife, co-wife, niece, niece, stepfather, stepfather, widow, widow, bride, bride, father-in-law, father-in-law, stepsister, stepsister, stepbrother, stepbrother, cousin, cousin, infant, infant, widower, widower, granddaughter, granddaughter, forefather, forefather, heir, heir.
আজ এই পর্যন্তই। যদি ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে লাইক, কমেন্ট এন্ড শেয়ার করতে ভুলবেন না প্লিজ। থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং।